where are you?
I had what you would call a real job.
Diego, where are you?
Briefly in the 50s.
Boo! Peekaboo! There he is! Oh, he's hiding again. He's hiding. There he is! Oh. You're not even given time to hide. Boo! Oh, that's better hiding. Where is he? Peekaboo! There he is! You are a professional at peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
You gotta hide.
Where's Diego?
You gotta hide.
Where's Diego?
Hide, buddy.
Where's Diego?
There he is.
There he is.
Yeah.